He was lost earlier today. Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice Was and Were, video 19 from the series, so be sure to see all the videos in the series. Okay, great, let's start. I was bowling this morning. I was bowling this morning. I was swimming yesterday. I was swimming yesterday. I was surfing last week. I was surfing last week. He was lost earlier today. He was lost earlier today. He was repairing the car when you called. He was repairing the car when you called. He was changing the battery in the garage. He was changing the battery in the garage. She was reading the paper after breakfast. She was reading the paper after breakfast. She was looking for a job last year. She was looking for a job last year. She was using a tablet at work. She was using a tablet at work. It was in the doghouse sleeping. It was in the doghouse sleeping. It was in the sea before it was caught. It was in the sea before it was caught. It was in the hospital all day. It was in the hospital all day. You were very scared on the building. You were very scared on the building. You were being followed home. You were being followed home. You were nervous for your speech. You were nervous for your speech. We were having burgers for lunch. We were having burgers for lunch. We were eating watermelon at the beach. We were eating watermelon at the beach. We were looking for vegetables in the market. We were looking for vegetables in the market. They were making a puzzle at home. They were making a puzzle at home. They were painting at school. They were painting at school. They were at the park today. They were at the park today. Extension. I was walking home. I was going to work. I was driving to the store. He was speaking. He was asking questions. He was giving information. She was taking notes. She was studying. She was doing homework. It was barking. It was eating. It was playing. You were sleeping. You were resting. You were taking a break. We were hungry. We were thirsty. We were starving. They were happy. They were sad. They were laughing. Okay, great job. Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.